In this video, we'll be doing another example of integration by u-substitution. Our problem is to evaluate the integral of the quantity x plus 1 times the square root of 2 minus x dx. Now we first need to choose an expression for u, so I'm going to let u equal 2 minus x. Then when we do the derivative on this, we get du is equal to a negative dx. And so dividing both sides by -1, dx is equal to a negative du. We also need something to sub in for x plus 1 right here. So I'm going to take this equation and solve for x. So we see that x is equal to 2 minus u. Now I'm ready to do some substituting. So I have the integral of x, which is 2 minus u, plus 1, times the square root of 2 minus x, which is u, and then in place of dx, we have a negative du. This simplifies the integral of 3 minus u, and then I can write this factor as u to the 1/2 power, and then I have my negative du. I can pull the negative out in front of the integral, and then let's distribute the u to the 1/2 through this binomial. So this gives me 3u to the 1/2 minus u to the 3/2 times du. This negative, I'm going to go ahead and take it back in. So I have a negative 3 times, this is u to the 3/2 divided by 3/2, which is 2/3 u to the 3/2. And then the minus in here makes this a positive. So 3/2 increased by 1 gives me 5/2, which is 2/5 u to the 5/2, plus my constant. These 3's will cancel, so I have a negative 2, and in place of u I need to put back in 2 minus x to the 3/2 plus 2/5, and then in place of this u, 2 minus x to the 5/2 plus constant.